Objective number 1. Determine whether two lines are parallel. Definition of the two lines that they are not vertical. Parallel. If and only if their slopes are equal and they have a different y-intercepts. The vertical lines are parallel if they have different x-intercept. So now we will work on the regular case first, the non-vertical lines. Example number 1, we have the two lines y equal 4x minus 5 and the line y equal 3x minus 2. So the first line we have the slope is 4. I'm going to call this is the M1 because I have another M. For the second line, so I call this is M2 is 3. So the number in front of x are the slope. And we see that M1 and M2, they are not equal. They are not the same. We have to have the equal. That means that we can conclude that they are not parallel. The problem wants us to graph to confirm the result. So they are in the slope-intercept form. We can graph them right away using the intercept and the slope. The first one we begin from -5. And then the slope is 4/1, so we go 4 up and 1 right. So we will hit -1 because we go 4 up and we turn right 1 step. Now the second line, we begin from -2. And we have the slope is 3. That means 3/1. We will do 3 up. We will hit 1 and then we will turn right. So in the future, they will meet each other at some point. They do not parallel. Number 2, we have the same question and they given us different equation. I want to determine the slope for the first one. I have to solve for y first. The slope of the first line is 3 and the intercept is 0,5 is the y-intercept. The second line, we will add 6x both sides first. And then we divide both sides by -2. So we will get -3x plus 1. The slope for the second line is -3 and the y-intercept is 0,1. So what do we see about these two lines? They have the same the question is positive 6x, so we minus 6x both sides. Not at 6x both sides is the beginning. So we have minus 6x minus 2, then divide both sides by -2, we have positive 3. These two lines are parallel. So we can conclude that they are parallel because they are having the same slope and the y-intercept are different. Now we want to wrap the two lines to confirm the result. We wrap the first one, begin from 5 on y, and then the slope is 3, so we go 3 up, we will hit 8, and we will turn right 1. Then we wrap the second line, we will begin from 1 on y, and then we go 3 up, 1 right. So we can see that the two lines are parallel.